Imagine if minutes from now you could create your very own mobile apps for iOS and Android without ever having to write a single line of code, and even publish them to the iOS and Google Play app stores with one click, complete with descriptions, screenshots, and a listing that's going to make people download, buy, and get you paid fast. It would enable you to tap into $700 billion mobile app industry to become the new Angry Birds for yourself, or sell apps to hungry local and online businesses who can't pay enough to get their hands on their own mobile apps. That's right, commercial licenses included. Look, mobile app development has quickly become a costly experience that's reserved for either gifted developers or Silicon Valley type businesses with very deep pockets. But why should they have all the fun? Today, Inkfast's solution to create your very own mobile apps on both iOS and Android with just a few clicks. Zero coding and zero headaches. It's so easy to use, even a 5-year-old could start their own mobile app business with it. Introducing ProfitDev. It's the only cloud-based mobile app creator that lets you design stunning, gorgeous mobile apps from scratch with our drag-and-drop editor, but without any coding, and get this, without any monthly fees either. Most importantly, it's the only one that lets you actually publish to the iOS and Google Play app stores, and builds real actual apps, not just progressive web apps that open up in Safari when you click them. Plus, you can use more than 30 done-for-you templates.
Mindzo offers you this opportunity. ProfitDev is a new method to earn money with less competition. For more information, visit the official website by clicking on the link below.